Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. And today is January the 30th, 2019. And I'm here with my little Asarina seedlings, and they did come up for me. So I put these under the light. See it right here. And I am going to be watching these peat pellets for water because I don't want my stuff to dry out. So what I'm actually going to do is when one of these needs watered, I have a little thing here of room temperature water. I'm just going to set it in there and let it soak its water up. Now I do still have one in the enclosed container. It is germinating. As soon as I see that the two leaves open with the seed coating pushed off of them, I actually take them out of the enclosed container and I put them right under the light here, because it's important to get your seedlings strong light so that they don't grow tall and spindly on you. And this one here is done soaking up its water, so I'm just going to sit this right back under here now. And another thing that I would do with these is I did check them for moisture. I also did that with the seed starting, the ones I did in the seed starting mix, because I want to make sure that they didn't dry out while they were trying to germinate. So what I would actually do is I would take the little mister bottle and I would mist across the top of the soil to make sure that they didn't dry out on me. Now you don't want your peat pellets or your seed starting mix to be soggy, but you don't want it to be too dry. So I wanted to throw that in there for you because it is something that can happen where your peat pellets will dry out or your seed starting mix will dry out, and then your seeds won't germinate, or they were in the process of germinating and they got dry, and the dryness killed the seedling, so then it won't come up. So with these right here, and with these being as close to the light as they are, you do want to check them for water and make sure that they don't dry out, because seedlings, when they're this little, are very unforgiving if you let them go dry. So you want your peat pellets and your seed starting mix moist, but you don't want it like soggy. So this one here, I had just watered it, and you can even see the color difference. Like, these are a little drier. This one was just watered, and this one here is draining the water off, and that's fine because it was dry, so it needed watered. As soon as this gets its true leaves, I will come back and start feeding it. I did actually try as an experiment to grow some of these things under here that I tried in the regular Jiffy seed starting mix. I want to see how they do and which one does better. So I wanted to see the difference between growing them in peat pellets and growing them in the seed starting mix. The peat pellets will eliminate the transplant shock, whereas when I transplant these in here, it's going to give them a transplant shock. But I'm trying to see the easiest way to grow them and the best way to grow them. Now I actually germinated these under one of my LED grow lights. I did not have any bottom heat under it or anything like that. I just put it in a little miniature greenhouse type thing, and I did take the lid off to get them some air like I did on the other container. I would open the lid up to let fresh air in, and I would reclose it then. So I wanted to see how they grow. So as soon as these start getting their true leaves, I will come back with another video and I will show you how to feed them, for how I feed my seedlings. And I do have this really close to the light, as you can see here, because I want to make sure that my seedlings get enough light so that they don't grow tall and spindly. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button to tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have put a link down in the description for that. You can get updates on how seedlings are doing, what videos are coming up, and all different kinds of stuff. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.